And that's the plan.
A thing of beauty.
So you can bring the tools we need, right?
Yeah,
Uh,
totally.
get
Oh,
off!
oh,
Get
oh,
off the
oh.
plan! You're ruining it! Watch it!
Sorry.
Just be there on time. Four, three, two, one. Let's go, baby! Let's go!
It's a lovely morning for azaleas.
What? What are you talking about? We're burglars, not spies. And why do you have those sunglasses on?
They're my disguise, so no one can identify me.
Well, they can still see the rest of your face. And you can't even see where you're going in those things.
Well, at least it's not as conspicuous as if I, say, wearing a ski mask.
Whatever. Where's the gear?
The tool of the trade, madam. Just take off that doorknob and everything inside will be ours.
Get off!
What? But I can't see nothing.
Well, take off those stupid sunglasses.
But then I might be identified.
Then you don't get to watch. Okay, that's the deal.
Fine, I'll be the lookout.
You do that. It's dead bolted.
Just cut it off.
I can't just cut it off. It's in the door. You didn't bring anything else?
That hacksaw gets through anything. Why would I bring anything else?
A crowbar. A crowbar would have been ideal. With a crowbar, we would have been inside already.
Oh, that's good thinking.
Whatever. Just help me bash in this door.
Okay.
Come on. Okay. All right, Lila. Calm down. Well, let's figure this out. All right, let's maybe go through the window.
Hey! Hey, this is a citizen's arrest.
Oh. Oh. I should have worn my sunglasses. Oh.
Hey, come back here with that doorknob.